Hello friends, my name is Radia and today we are going to learn how to stagger in Anime.js. So first we will have to open our browser. So then we are going to search for Anime.js. So after that we're going to click on download. So then we have to scroll down and click on this manual download button. And after you've downloaded it, you have to extract the zip file. And then you have to go to the lib folder. And then you will have to copy everything in the lib folder and paste it into your folder in VS Code. But if you already have Anime.js, then you have to write the OC and set the title to Stagger. So let's say that. So now let's say that you have 5 H1s. Let's say that you have 5 H1s which are all named and which all have a class of anime. And now you'll have to create a CSS file and link it. Then you have to create a CSS file and link it. After creating a CSS file and linking it, also have to link it to anime.bin.js and your JavaScript file. After that, go to your CSS file. You go to your CSS file and you're going to write .anime. Then we will write background color. And then you have to choose the color you want. So after that you have to write width 100, height 100. Also add px after them. And also you can set the width and height to anything you want. So after that, we'll copy the path of the anime.html and we will paste it here. Then we'll see that we have all of these squares. But now let's say that we want to add an animation to it. So we'll have to go to our JavaScript file, then write anime. So after that, we are going to write translate. After that, we're going to write translate x $200. So we're also going to write target, and then we'll write the name of our class. Then we'll add a comma. It will also change these. Then we will save it and reload the browser. Then they will move. But this animation, it is very boring and bland, and we want to add a delay. So we're going to add a comma, and then we'll write delay anime dot Stagger $200. So we're going to change this to 100. Then we'll save it and we will reload the browser. Now we'll see that there is some delay between it and our animation looks better. And also, you can change the delay. You can make the delay to be higher. Like, you can write 200 and then it's going to become slower. But if we change this to 50, then it's going to become faster. And it also depends on how much you translate x. So let's say that we're translating x 500 and the delay is 100. So this is how it is going to look. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the